I'm happy to announce that the LSU AgCenter has released its new 2019 Get It Growing Lawn and Garden Calendar. Now this is a fabulous calendar for gardeners all over Louisiana. The information is written specifically for Louisiana, and the calendar is chock-a-block full of wonderful things to learn and know. Now first off, there's a great feature column. This talks about the importance of planting hardy materials in the fall, like trees and shrubs and ground covers, to get you planting right and at the right time of the year. Now in addition to that, gardening is cyclic. We tend to do the same thing about the same time year after year. Well, for every month of the calendar, there are all kinds of nice tips and reminders to make sure that you stay on top of the chores and gardening activities that you need to be doing each month of the year. Beautiful photographs sent in by gardeners from all over Louisiana embellish every single month. Big, beautiful, colorful photographs that you're really going to love and enjoy. Also, there's a great illustrated how-to on how to grow your Easter lilies in your gardens after the Easter holidays. Honestly, there's so many wonderful things. So think about getting one of these wonderful calendars for yourself, for a friend. These make great hostess gifts as you go to parties. Get your Get It Growing calendars at your local nurseries and garden centers, or you can order them online from the LSU AgCenter online store. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.